they, il. Notice we don't pronounce the final consonant, il, il. They, il. They, il. They, il. They, referring only to females, elle. Notice we don't pronounce the final consonant, elle. They, elle. They, elle. They, elle. They speak, il parle, elle parle. Il parle, elle parle. They speak, il parle, elle parle. They speak, il parle, elle parle. They speak, il parle, elle parle. Remember, use il if you're referring to a group of males or a mixed group of males and females. Use elle if you're referring to a group of females. Remember, final consonants are not pronounced. Generally, il parle, elle parle. Japanese, japonais. Japanese, japonais. Japanese, japonais. Japanese, japonais. English, anglais. English, anglais. English, anglais. English, anglais. Russian, russe. Russian, russe. Russian, russe. Arabic, arabe. Arabic, arabe. Arabic, arabe. Arabic, arabe. Spanish, espagnol. Spanish, espagnol. Spanish, espagnol. Spanish, espagnol. Portuguese, portugais. Portuguese, portugais. Portuguese, portugais. So let's review what you've learned in this lesson. They speak, referring to a group of males or a mixed group of males and females. Il parle. They speak, referring only to females. Elle parle. They speak French. Il parle français. They speak English. Il parle anglais. They speak Japanese. Il parle japonais. They speak Russian. Il parle russe. They speak Arabic. Il parle arabe. They speak Spanish. Il parle espagnol. They speak, referring only to females. They speak, elle parle. They speak French. Elle parle français. They speak English. Elle parle anglais. They speak Japanese. Elle parle japonais. They speak Russian. Elle parle russe. They speak Arabic. Elle parle arabe. They speak Spanish. Elle parle espagnol. Alright, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, remember to click on the video that appears here on your screen. I'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt.